So let us see in this channel naman kung ano makukuha nating energy for ya guys. So just take only what resonates. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone! Happy Hearts Day, Happy Puso Day. I hope happy ang heart mo. I hope masaya ka ngayon. Let us see. This person could be seeing a lot of number 8s. Center of the reading, 5 of Cups. Oh. Wheel of Fortune. Bottom of the deck, we have the Judgment, okay? 10 of Wands. Six of Swords. Okay. Kung sino man ito, with this King of Swords energy and the Six of Cups, hindi ka talaga niya kayang burahin sa isip at damdamin niya. Kung sino ka man. Ay, hindi nito kaya kang burahin, no? Hindi siya rito magsasalawalang bahala, magsasawalang bahala. Ba yun? So, yung mga babes, no? Kasi naman tong bulol. Bulol yung reader. So, kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to mga babes, nakikita natin dito na hindi siya magsasawalang bahala lang dito sa kanyang, nararamdaman ngayon. May energy, na kung sino man ito puwedeng new person siya, pero for a lot of them, this is definitely here your past lover or your ex person. Kaya kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to 'no, lumalabas dito mahal na itong tao na 'to 'no, ay person na hindi niya magawang kalimutan ka, in other words, okay? So, talagang nagsa-struggle siya dito 'no, struggle is real kumbaga sa person nito at nakikita ko dito na nagkakaroon ng, parang, battle inside sa kanyang isipin this past few months 'no, sa kanyang isipan 'no, na, kakalimutan ka ba talaga niya? Kasi parang hindi niya magawa kahit na gumagawa siya rito ng paraan para kalimutan ka niya, para makapagbagong buhay na, makapagsimula na ng buhay 'no. Wala, hindi talaga kaya be. Hindi ka niya kayang burahin. Putok, eh. Five of Cups energy, I do pick up that whoever this energy is, no, isang malungkot na nilalang na naman. Ang sobrang hirap na hirap rito, ginawa niya na halos lahat. Wala talaga, Nine of Wands energy, no, pero I was about to say the Nine of Cups, okay? So, ibig sabihin, no, hindi niya magawang kalimutan yung pinapangarap niya. Oh. But for others, if it is a new person, kasi yung iba sa inyo, new person ito, na parang hindi siya rito magsasawalang bahala, hindi rito uupo lamang, no? Gagawa ng paraan para mapalapit sa'yo. At kasi naman tong energy na 'to 'no, nakikita natin dito that this is the person right in here 'no, na tanging makakapagbigay sa'yo rito 'no, ng, what's this, alam mo yung siya lang yung tanging tao rito 'no, na makakapagbigay sa'yo 'no, ng ano ba yung ano nun? term nun sa Tagalog. Basta siya yung klase ng tao rito na parang, makakapagbigay sa'yo rito 'no ng, sense of, what's this? Hindi sense of relief, eh, parang siya rin makakapagbigay sa'yo rito ng parang alam mo yung emotions na tataas 'no, hindi ko alam kung yun ba ay galit or pagkainis na parang siya lang yung nakakapag-trigger sa'yo 'no. Parang ang dami ito totoo yung right word 'no, parang dahil sa kanya ang dami mong nare-realize sa buhay 'no. Kung past lover mo ito, ang dami mong nare-realize na parang, mga bagay 'no na, magpapatama sa buhay mo. Parang dahil sa kanya may mga sinasabi siya, may mga ginagawa siya na natatauhan ka, you know what I'm saying? So yun 'no, yun pala yung right words dun, okey? So kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to 'no, if yun yung past lover mo, ang dami niya, siya lang nakakagawa rito na parang 'pag nagsasalita siya, siya lang yung nakakapagbigay sa'yo rito ng gising moment or aha moment 'no, ng mga bagay na, dapat na hindi mo ginawa, mga bagay na mga desisyon mo dati na dapat pala hindi ganito, ganyan, ta's may mga gano'ng klase ng energy. So, kung sino 'tong energy na 'to 'no, parang natatauhan ka in some way. Okay. So, kung ito naman ay, new person dito lumalabas na puwedeng, ikaw ito 'no na, isa o dalawang beses, tatlong beses pa lang niya nakita 'no, pero nasa isip ka na niya, hindi ka na mawala 'no. So, hindi niya alam kung palalampasin niya ba itong moment na 'to na ikaw lang ay nakita niya 'no or may gagawin ba siya dapat 'no, kasi parang hindi po siya mapakali. Two of Wands energy. So, definitely mapa-past lover mo man ito or mapa-new person, okay nakikita ko rito 'no na hindi ka nila magawang kalimutan. Oh, iba ka talaga. Wow! So, bati muna natin everybody. Hi and hello there everyone. My name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers. Returning Eastern buyers, thank you po sa inyong walang sawang love and support for me. At kung hindi niyo pa alam, meron pa po tayong other channel. No? Yun ang ating main channel, ang The High Priestess. Link down below sa ating description box. So if interested, click lang yung link dyan para mapunta kayo there. Araw-araw ay nag-upload tayo ng collective readings for all signs doon. At yun na tayong gender dito. So, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat ay welcome. Puwede rin pong i-switch ang mga roles dahil possible na magkapalit-palit dahil general reading ito. At the end of the day, lahat ay may free will na free mong gamitin anytime, anywhere. And yun nga, wala tayo rito no, na time period but I'm getting that this is the energy of them right now. Real-time energies na ating napipick up ngayon. So kung sino man ito, no, nakikita ko rito no, na ito yung person na ayaw na mag-aksaya ng panahon, eh, at nafi-feel niya yung pressure especially if this is your past lover right in here, okay. Hindi niya na alam yung gagawin niya, okay. It's like, kahit na gustuhin niya ritong kalimutan ka, paano ba yun? Paano ba yun gawin, 'no? Parang, even the books, even Google cannot help him or her, okay. So whoever this energy is, nakita natin dito that this is someone here who longs for you. How can a person forget about someone na gustong-gusto niyang makasama at makita? It's impossible, 'di ba? So kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to, na this person here ay someone na nakikita kong wala kang pakialam ngayon. Nine of Coins and the Three of Cups energy. So, kung sino man yan, nakikita natin dito na siya yung klase ng energy no, na nagpapakita ng alam mo yung Wheel of Fortune, nagpapakita siya dito 'no, ng kahit ano kayang itaya, makita ka lang ulit or makasama ka lang ulit. Whether that's new person here wishing na makita ka niya ulit, okay mag-reunite kayo ulit 'no, and past lover mo man ito, this person here wishing, okay na makasama ka niya rito. Parang bakit ko kailangan kalimutan yung taong mahal ko? Bakit? Yan. Okay, and also nakita rin tayo dito ng energy that this person here wants to repeat, okay, from the very start yung connection ninyo para maiwasan yung mga puwedeng naging kamalian, yung mga desisyon na sana hindi ginawa at pinag-isipan. So, puwedeng yun ang kanya rito 'no, na sinasabi right in here. Okay? And for that new person naman, if new person ang kadil ninyo, lumalabas naman no, na this new person, kung kilala niya yung both ninyong kakilala or nagko-connect sa inyo, I'm seeing that this person here, Eight of Wands, will contact that person. Kasi iniisip niya na ngayon, kontakin yon, Eight of Swords energy. Okay? So, definitely, I do pick up that kung sino man ito, punong-puno naman ng determination and parehas namang serious sa'yo. So, nakita natin dito, no, that they can't forget someone like you. Ay, ano bang meron sa'yo at ako'y napapaamo mo? Ayan, oh. Alam mo yung parang feeling ng nagsuslow mo yung paligid just because you're in love? Yeah, yun eh. And I do pick up that whoever this energy is, this is someone here who wants to, have this kind of, um, alam mo yung maitama yung lahat para makapagsimulang muli. At takot na makagawa ng mali ulit kasi baka mawala ka ulit. Takot na makagawa ng mali ulit kasi baka mawala ka ulit. Imagine someone who's afraid of losing you once again. It feels like hell. So, whoever this energy is, Judgment, it feels like hell. But this person is willing to beg to God, to universe, kahit halika ng lupa, just to bring back the time that everything feels right for the both of you. Ote. Alam mo, I'm not really a fan of nagbabalikan, especially kapag ka ang person ay umalis because of a third party, ha? But I'm medium right in here, no? So, nakikita ko naman that this person here ay really talagang totoo yung sinasabi niya, no? Takot talaga ito na magkamali, no? Dahil ayaw ka na niyang mawala. Dahil alam niya yung pakiramdam nung nawala ka. Hindi ka pa nga niya na ibabalik eh, sa buhay niya eh, 'di ba? But it feels like na parang all throughout these years or simula nung nagising siya na takot na takot siya because mag-isa na lang siya ngayon, no? Para siyang, para siyang yung feeling niya yung may mabigat siyang pinapasan, no? Sa kanyang both shoulders, okay? And even sa kanyang back, no? So I do pick up that this person here definitely he or she is not feeling okay. Actually, hindi siya masyadong nag-aalaga sa kanyang self, no? This person's health is not bad naman, but I think this person here, no, loses weight because walang gana masyado kumain. And this person here losing sleep as well because this person's thinking of ways how to deal with this emotional waves, no? And I do pick up that with the Six of Swords energy, this person here wants to see you one more time. This person could be far away from you, like physically far away from you, maybe dulo-dulo kayo. You could be in a province. This person here could be in the city, or vice versa. Or maybe this person here could be in other country, or maybe you do. Just take only what resonates. Or maybe this is talking about gap of emotions you have for him or her. Because there's definitely gap of emotion. You're okay right now. You're fine. You're okay living here, no, sa yung own world, you're happy with your friends, nakaka-achieve ka dito ng mga successes, and you value even small details. Small luck also, no, ay nagpapasalamat ka very big time, no. Alam maganda yan kasi dahil dyan, possible na maka-attract ka ng mga big blessings sa life mo because you're grateful for the small things, okay? And it looks like you're happy and you're okay right now, no? Unlike this person here, okay? This person here ay masasabi ko nga, alam mo yan parang talagang na-lost siya sa life, no? This person feels like he or she is a loser. Yeah. And if it is a new person, by the way, this person here will do everything just to find you, search for you, contact kung sino man yung pwedeng kontakin na ko-connect sa'yo. This person is very serious sa'yo. Okay? So, for the initials na tayo, whether this is a new person or your past lover right in here, let's go. We have here capital letter G, capital letter K, and capital letter M. We also have here capital letter D, capital letter B as in boy, and capital letter victory V. For the other letters might not be capital, we have more than one letter A, more than one letter I. We also have here letter F, small letter F yun ha, and also we have here small letter why? So yeah, these are all the messages I've got right here for you guys. Again, I'm Miriana Anmin. Sarang I love and light. Happy Valentine's! Annyeong!